dipadamkan.
Hi guys, we are back in Jakarta. We just arrived and waiting for our luggage. There's a time difference between Jakarta and Bali, which is an hour, making Bali an hour ahead. I guess our driver is also waiting for us outside. After here, we go directly to our hotel and take some rest kasi si Allen hindi pa siya pwedeng ma-stress kasi baka ma-relapse siya sa fever. Kaya from here, diretso na kami ng hotel at pagbalik. The weather is good. Parang Pilipinas lang din. We're here guys. Kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel.
Holiday.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you so much, madam.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Ascot Sudirman, Jakarta to check-in. We're gonna stay here for 2 nights. And so far, ang ganda ng place. Medyo traffic lang papunta rito kasi ang sikip-sikip ng daan. Yun. After which, pag natapos na yung pag-check-in namin, we're gonna go up to our room and mag-freshen up. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan na restaurant within the area. Ano to, parang I could compare it to BGC na everything is nice, everything is mabango. Tama ba yun? Hi guys, it's me again. Ang galing talaga ni Lord. Hindi available yung reserve namin na room. So ang ginawa nila, in-upgrade kami into a bigger room. Ang galing talaga ni Lord. Pero no, si Allen ang grabe yung ano dyan, attraction yan. Palagi kami na-upgrade ng rooms. Okay guys, I'll show you our room later. Okay, akyat muna kami sa elevator na. Oh wow! Look! We have our own kitchen, functioning kitchen. Sana may food. Nice bread toaster. We have a coffee maker. Oy! I think that's our luggage. Wait lang. Oh, hi. Okay, please come in. Oh, we have our washing machine. We have our microwave, plates, exhaust. And we have our own anteroom. You wait to our bedroom, follow me. We have a California king bed. There's a dresser here, closet, and a huge bathroom. Oh, makakatulog ako ng mahindi. Welcome to Jakarta. Lalakad kami ngayon going to Lotte Mall. Dito kami maghahanap ng ATM kasi wala na kaming rupiah. And siguro dito na rin tayo mag-dinner, no? Hi Kadokis, dito na kami sa Lotte Mall. Dito nakapag-withdraw na ako sa ATM ng rupiah. Si Allen naman, pumipila sa money changer. Magpapalit ng peso to rupiah. Ang ganda ng mall guys. Laki, it's huge. Yan, dito na rin kami siguro magdi-dinner. Depende na rin kung ano pang plan namin tonight to explore this place. Kasi first time din namin buti ito sa Jakarta. Okay guys, laters! We're looking for a Chinese restaurant. Kasi si Allen nahihirapan lumunok. Kailangan niyang kumain ng soup lang. Ito na lang daw kami sa Din Tai Fung. Kasi yung Din Tai Fung sa ibang bansa compared to the Philippines, it tastes really different. Guys, sa Din Tai Fung, walang porridge. Yun lang yung kayang kainin ni Allen ngayon. Like, ito so magkahanap pa kami ng iba. Pero guys, balik kami ng Din Tai Fung. Gagawin na lang daw niya, order siya ng rice, tapos soup, paghaluin na lang. Diba? Wais. We are going to have Peking duck. This one, braised beef. And lastly, yung favorite namin, this one, shumai.
Dante na grocery lang bro.
Peking duck, guys. Sarap, sarap. Shumai. Grocery reveal muna tayo guys kasi kanina we went to the market sa Lotte Mall. I was taking a video tapos pagkalampas ko ng pushcart area, hinabol ako ng guard, sabi niya bawal. So I asked her if I'm going to delete it. Hindi naman daw. And pinayagan naman kaming mag-grocery. Tapos hindi na rin niya pinadelete. So makikita niyo sa vlog yung pangalan ng market. So I'm gonna reveal the first coconut juice in plastic bottles. Second, mixed fruits with bagoong, cherries, coconut, ang social, di ba? May straw na siya, way to drink na siya, nasa coconut shell pa siya. Yogurt in 3 different flavors. Thai tea, peach, and purple yam. Yung Starbucks ni Ale. Dumaan kasi kaming Starbucks. Ito, may story to. When we went to Bali, yung katabi ko sa aeroplano, kumakain nito. Tapos ina-ignore ko lang. Tapos pagdating namin ng Jakarta, one of the passengers kumakain din. Sabi ko, intriga ako, so makabili nga para matikman natin kung masarap ba siya or not. Kasi so far lahat ng chichirya na kinain ko dito hindi po masa sa akin. It's either matamis or it's either walang lasa, kaya fail. Yun. So, try namin to guys. Kakarating lang namin dito sa hotel. Tikman namin lahat kasi kailangan naming mag-try para tomorrow may time pa kami na bumili pa ng sale. Okay? Refreshing. Ang sarap guys. Ang sarap. Ito na. Taste reveal. Pati ako nasususpense sa product na to. Para siyang stick. Walang pala yun. Mas masarap pang stick ko natin sa Pilipinas. Fail. Okay na lang. Bawalin ko na lang sa aeroplano. Ito naman yung mixed fruits kanina. Guava. Ang crunchy. Yung sausawan parang alamang, pero more chili, more sugar. Pero swak. Next, pineapple. Bagay. Sarap. Ang sasawa parang alamang, maraming chili, matamis, may peanut. Parang peanut sauce. Bacopa. Okay din. Pinakabit ko yung guava. Sarap. Singkamas. Pinakailalim niya is papaya. Guava pa rin ako.
This one. Okay.
Good morning, Kadokis! This is our second day here in Jakarta and nandito na kami ngayon sa service namin for our city tour. So, join us, Kadokis. Let's start our day. Grabe guys, ang traffic. Almost 1 hour na kami nagbibiyahe. City tour lang to wala pa kami sa first destination namin. Grabe ang traffic. Well, sabi nga nila, you're not in Indonesia kung walang traffic. Parang Manila lang din. Parang EDSA. Hi guys, we're here at Chinatown, our first destination with our city tour. Yun. Parang ano lang siya, parang Binondo, isang malaking street lang. Oo, isang kanto. Ganito lang siya. And tapos may temple, ganyan-ganyan. Supposed not to go down kasi well, aside from mainit, parang there's nothing much to see naman dito. And so ang pagdesisyon na namin, we're just going to our second destination. Disappointed, pero okay na rin, at least it's part of the story of the tour. Ito lang siya guys, so ganito lang dito sa Chinatown. Kala namin may makikita kaming mga restaurants na Chinese, Chinese authentic restaurant para doon sana kami kumain, pero kinda disappointing. Itong kanto lang na to, ito yung buong strip ng Chinatown nila na dinadala yung mga tourists. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pasar Baru. This is the oldest shopping district ng Jakarta. So dito may makikita ka left and right, mga bentahan ng tela, watches. It's basically like walking in Quiapo. Kaya again, we didn't choose to go down kasi hindi naman so interesting yung mga binibenta dito. I'm gonna show you the video na lang para
Post Block Jakarta.
kunwari bumaba na tayo.
Oh gitu.
Yeah, it's so interesting. Tsaka mainit. So okay na rin, at least narating namin. It's part of the tour. Ito ang Pasar Baru guys. So, yan, bentahan ng tsinelas, mga ukay-ukay, sapatos. Ito lang yun. Yan yung mga benta nilang mga parang patahian siya. Yan. Sapatos, tela. Yan. Palabas na kami ng Pasar Baru. Papunta na kami ng Post Block. Yan. It's our third, no? It's our third city tour destination. Doon na rin kami kakain ng lunch. Dito na kami Post Block guys. Dito kami maghahanap ng kakainan. We are at Post Block. Nandito lahat yung mga, hindi naman lahat, yung mga local restaurants, local cafes in one block. May mga restaurants dito, may souvenir shops, may art exhibit. We're still checking kung anong food ang pwede na makaka-attract sa aming appetite since hindi pa kami nagda-lunch. We're gonna try this restaurant. We're gonna taste the local Indonesian food here at Kedung Rasa. So far guys, the prices are kasya sa budget. Hindi namin maintindihan yung menu kaya order na lang kami ng order kasi gutom na kami. Ang ginawa namin guys, nagturo-turo na lang the pictures ko ano nasa menu kasi talagang hirap makipag-usap kasi hindi sila nag-i-English and the menu doesn't have a English version kaya kung ano na lang makita namin that catches our appetite sa menu na may picture yun na lang tinuro-turo namin this one 1 tapos no spicy ganon para ano naintindihan naman nila. Amongst kasi sa mga restaurants na dinaanan namin, the rest are empty or may dalawang tables na occupied. Tapos nadaanan namin yung restaurant na to, ang daming kumakain. Kaya na-intriga rin kami. Yan, dito na rin kami, kaya pumasok na rin kami. Unknowing na yung menu pala, it's not madaling intindihin. But it's part of the tour, it's part of the story. Yeah, we're having fun.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground.
Hi guys! Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Na-enjoy naman namin yung lunch so far. Pero we have to admit, we are not, hindi para sa amin ang Indonesian food talaga. Pero kanya-kanyang taste yan. This is just our own opinion naman. Ngayon, dito kami sa Jakarta Cathedral. Opposite of it is the pinakamalaking mosque dito sa Jakarta. Dito na kami sa Cathedral. Opposite lang ng road is the biggest mosque in Jakarta. Mamaya after here, tawid lang kami ng kalsada. Ito lang yung service namin. Mosque na. Okay? Papasok na kami ng Cathedral. Done with our cathedral visit. Yun, tatawid lang kami ng kalsada. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Merdeka. Kung ang Pilipinas may Luneta, sila ang Indonesia may Merdeka. Ito ang Merdeka guys. that concludes our city tour. So, punta na kami sa car park where our driver is waiting for us. Then, babalik na kami ng hotel. Ang lagkit-lagkit ko na, gusto ko nang maligo. The weather here guys is like Philippines din. Mainit, humid, pero iba rin yung charm ng place. When you visit Indonesia, puntahan nyo din yung, aside from Bali, itry nyo din mag-drop by ng Jakarta. Pero wag na yung matagal na sobra. Kasi parang konti lang gagawin dito. Better stay longer in Bali. Kasi sa Bali nakakapag-English. Dito, grabe, language barrier. Pati yung pagkain, wala kaming alam kung anong ino-order namin. Turo lang kami ng turo sa menu. Kaya it's a different experience naman. Kaya when you visit Indonesia, aside from Bali, consider visiting Jakarta. At dahil tapos ng aming city tour, galing kami sa pawis, pagod at init, nakapagbihis na rin kami. Ready naman kami na mag-mall ngayon. We're on our way to Plaza Indonesia, isa sa mga pinakakilalang mall dito sa Jakarta. Hi guys, we're preparing for dinner. Mag-dinner kami ngayon sa Lotte Mall, kung saan din kami nag-dinner kagabi. Maglalakad lang kami kasi malapit lang naman, it's within the area. Yan ang background ko guys. So, we're staying at Ascot. Yan, we're staying at on the 11th floor. Yan, overlooking. Yan. Okay guys, later. Lalakad na kami ngayon papunta sa Lotte Mall. It's only a 5-minute walk from Ascot, kaya lalakarin na lang namin. Si Allen excited kasi finally makakakain na siya. Okay na yung, medyo okay na yung tonsillitis niya kasi kagabi he was not able to eat properly. Kasi kahit simpleng lunok lang ng water, masakit daw. And thanks God, he's feeling better. Kaya excited siya. Ayan, nakikiti siya. Ano sabi? Akala ko nangingiti ka kasi nga makakakain ka. Ano meron?
Ginawa ako. All platinum experience.
Tapos?
So every stay in our hotel from July 5 to hanggang September 5.
Okay.
I have free access to
The lounges? Oh, that's nice.
Free breakfast and then welcome drink.
There is just good for one room or
No,
every time
during
you...
my stay.
No, I mean if you book 2 rooms under your name.
Ganun.
That's nice. Tomorrow pala is the Independence Day ng Indonesia, so expect no traffic daw. No, matagal pa na, late yung flight naman namin papuntang Manila. It's around 12, almost 1 in the morning pa. Kaya di naman kami worried ma-traffic. Today daw yung pinaka-traffic kasi people pauwi ng mga kanilang mga provinces kasi bukas holiday, Independence Day nila. Look at the traffic guys. Look guys, mga replicas ng mga Marvel. Looks so real. Ang ganda niyan. This is your space.
Ang ganda. Goku.
This is Allen's Haven, guys. Ayan. Ang saya niya, oh. Finally, a Western food. Hi guys, pabrik na kami ng hotel. Nag-dinner kami sa Pepper Lunch. Na-enjoy namin. Ito patawid kami ng kalsada. Mag-good night na kami. It's been a big day. Pagod. Kaya pagdating namin ng hotel, shower, pahinga na. This is our last night here in Jakarta. Tomorrow is our flight going back to Manila. Good night, Kadokis! Good morning, Kadokis! Today is our last day here in Jakarta. And today is Indonesia's Independence Day. So, happy Independence Day, Indonesia! Okay guys, we just woke up and preparing for our today's itinerary, which is pupunta kami sa Pacific Place Mall. Since wala rin naman kaming gagawin today, so we decided to spend our day na lang sa mall. So ang gagawin namin ngayon, tambay muna sa mall, mag-lunch doon, and come back to the hotel. Then at around 8:30, paalis na kami puntang airport. Then we'll just gonna stay there and wait for our flight. Para naman, at least yung pag-stay namin ng Jakarta mo sulit-sulit pa rin. Okay guys! On our way to Pacific Plaza Mall. Grabe guys. Walang ka-traffic. Hi Kadokis! We are at the Pacific Mall, Jakarta, one of the biggest malls here in Indonesia. May accent ka kung Indonesia. Calamari. Walang katapusang calamari. Justin, I miss you. We're here in Liberté.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a song.
Oh, that looks so good. Wow. Wow. Thank you. food is served, guys. Let's eat. Look at the crab. That's my chicken salad. Bon appetito! It's pasta inside a crab shell. Good.
Let's go.
We are celebrating Independence Day of Indonesia with the Ascot staff. Tinawagan kami sa room kanina, tapos they asked if we could go down and watch their simple show that they prepared. Nakatuwa lang. Masaya.
Bisa. Boleh mau ikut? Such a beautiful forest. Just takes me back to Bali.
Yung first game nila, cracker eating. Parang yung version natin is yung parang apple eating contest. Paunahan. Pero cracker yung sinabi para kainin ng mga contestants. Three, two, one, ang lakas ng hangin, nalilipad yung mga crackers, kaya nahirapan sila. They asked us to participate in one of the games. Look,
On three.
mga ibang participants dito ay mga residents kasi ang Ascot is part hotel, part residential. Kaya iba dito nakatira. Mga long term na nakatira. Kaya nagpa-participate din sila sa game. Tapos tinanong sa amin kung okay lang kami mag-participate. Papatalo ang dito. Nag-go agad.
So, everything, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, please. So, we need to tighten first.
Oh, so fun! And then Mr. Allen.
Yay!
Next, Miss Maliao.
Miss Malia.
Count on 3. On 3.
2, 1.
Say what? Winner.
Mine is this one. And what's this one? In a mug.
Yeah.
And there's a mug.
Yeah, it's a mug.
Yay, it's a mug. ASR.
Celebrating of Independence Day, I would like to ask you to, let's say together, Merdeka! Merdeka!
Tapi selalu ku coba ku mengharapkanmu. Biar saja ku tak sehari to have a photo together with
All the
us.
team to take picture together.
Tatapos na ng program, katapos na namin mag-group picture with the staff and ibang residents. Now they're offering us free dinner for tonight. Say hi. Wow. Thank you. What's the name again?
Crackler.
Egg crackler.
Egg crush.
Egg crush. Yeah, egg crush daw. Okay, guys. After my egg crackler, kukuha naman ako ng soup. There's a soup na nakita ko kanina. Ayun. Can I have one, please?
Say hi, Pa.
Say hi. Hi, Philippines. Hello, Philippines.
This is bakso.
What's the name?
Bakso Malang.
Baso mal. Oh, is it spicy or?
No spicy.
No spicy.
The spicy you can.
Oh, this one. Yeah, okay. No spicy. Thank you.
You want try?
Yeah, I wanna try. Yeah. Thank you so much. It looks good. Ang daming traditional food na sineserve. Nakakatuwa. Isa-isahin ko para matikman natin lahat. Libre yung dinner namin, guys. After the event, after the program, nag-invite sila ng dinner. So, nalibre kami. Tapos ang sineserve mga Indonesian delicacies. Dito na kami sa lobby, guys. Our airport service is waiting for us. Kaya, thank you for the good memories, Bali. Thank you for the good memories, Jakarta. Till we meet again. Thank you, Lidopis. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed our little adventure here in Indonesia and I hope you enjoyed it too. Join me next vlog on my next adventure of food, travel, and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!